Awesome asked the question, who's gonna fill their shoes? Stand tall in a circle, sing their heart out to you. It's gonna keep alive tradition once it's all dead and gone. I don't know if I could wear them, but I'd sure like to try them on.
1, 2, 3, go!
They used to shine just like diamonds every time they took the stage. Now faded jeans and t-shirts are the craze of the modern age. I miss cowboy boots and nudie suits covered in rhinestones. I don't know if I could wear them, but I'd sure like to try them on. Sing songs about the common man and the cold hard facts of life. I know those shoes are awful big and the music's almost gone. I don't know if I could fill their shoes, but I'd sure like to try them on. Have you ever sat and listened to old Keith Whitley sing? He sounds just like Lefty from his phrasing to his twang. I'd hit rewind a million times to try to bend a note like Jones. I don't know if I could fill his shoes, but I'd sure like to try them on. Sing songs about the common man and the cold hard facts of life. I'd be a modern